All right, I have a good news for you. If you are preparing for architect level associate certification, which is industry standard, then Oracle Architect Associate is currently free. If you look here, it's free. And moreover, apart from the certification, we have the structured course here as well to help you prepare with the certification. So in order to register, you first got to complete the recommended course. You learn the materials, it got practice exam, everything is there, the course which will help you. Then once you're ready, you need to click on get started. Then you got to sign in if you have already have Oracle account. If you don't have, if you're logging in, creating opting for Oracle certification for the first time, then you need to create your free account. It's absolutely free. Let's click on sign in. All right, after sign in, so now you got to click on enroll to this path, and here we can see the message enrollment is in progress. Looks good. So we can click on get started, and once you're ready, you need to click on I'm ready to check in. You get 15 free attempts. So there are plenty of free attempts if you fail. So you can clear anytime. Once you're ready, you got to click on check in after ticking this. So that's what concludes. So please do share this video with your friends and colleagues who wants to get Oracle certified, which is industry recognized certification, especially related to architect level certification. Thank you so much. Let's meet in our next video.